we're going to discuss how to create a paragraph spacing between lines of text. First, let's take a look at the web page we've developed so far in our web browser. We can see that all the text content is on one line, and we want it separated onto multiple lines. The first paragraph spacing that we want to apply is after this line. Now, in order to do this, we need to add opening and closing p tags around the text that we want to separate onto a new line. So now we've added the opening and closing p tag. Before the changes can take effect, we have to save our document. And now let's go ahead and preview it again. So now we can see that the two lines of text are separated by a paragraph spacing. Next, we want to add another paragraph spacing here in front of the text input and the label "Enter your name." So we'll do the same thing again. Put an opening and closing p tag where we want the paragraph spacing. And then file save. And let's take a look at it again. And so there it is. Using the paragraph tag, we now have all three lines of text on separate lines.